up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. If you're new here, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of this family. I post video twice a week, but if you've been rocking with me, welcome back. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on and don't forget to get active in the comments. Today was the day I got a chance to kind of go through my closet, put away the summer clothes and bring out the cold weather clothes. And I thought to myself, why don't I just show you guys and kind of talk to you guys, make a different video from my usual sit down video. So I wanted to kind of show you guys what I do in the winter time. If you have small space to store your clothes, I wanted to kind of give you an idea of what you can do. If you have limited storage, I kind of wanted to give you an idea of what you can do with your clothes as the season change. So what I have here is this rack. This is kind of like a rack that you would see in the store. I don't know if Amazon sells this one, but this is the good one. This is one I got at a store closing. When Herberger was closing, I went in there and they were selling everything and I got. So it's not your average Walmart one that can take the industrial store rack that is made for heavyweight and made for a lot of stuff. So if you notice how much stuffs I have on here, so that's where I got that. I think I paid like $10 for it. It was pretty cheap because the store was closing and they were selling out everything. So if you're ever going by a store that's closing, walk in there and you'll find something like this, because this came in really handy. Because all this clothes I probably wouldn't find anywhere to put them. I'd probably have them in my closet and my closet would be like all compacted and I can't find anything, and I hate it like that. So if you're like me, one of these racks are good. I do know that Walmart sells some, but they're not as sturdy. I had a Walmart one for a couple of years, like 2, 3, 4 years, until one day just broke down because I had too many stuffs on it, because it was like hollow metal, but this is like metal. You can grab the Walmart one, but just know that it won't serve as long and it won't hold as much. Okay, so I'll insert a picture where I had all summer stuffs on this. This was just summer stuffs. I just did this morning. This is all winter. I just went through my closet, pull out the stuffs that I'll be wearing for winter, and just put away my summer clothes in the closet. I just packed them away. And to be honest with you, my closet still has some more winter clothes, but I kind of just brought them in the middle towards the front. So as soon as I open the closet door, and that's the closet over there, as soon as I open the closet door, I'm greeted with my winter clothes. But most of them are here, and bear in mind I don't really go anywhere, so probably most of these will not get wear. But if you're a person that goes somewhere, this would be perfect for you. To pack my winter clothes on here. Like for example, on this hanger I have tights. I always wear tights in the winter time because I can put a tights on with something like this, throw a tights on with a t-shirt, and then put a nice warm big coat over it. I hate a lot of clothes. I'm not the kind of person who wear 3, 4, 5 shirts or undershirts. I don't do that. I hate clothes, so I don't like a lot of clothes. So I don't hate clothes. I love fashion, but I don't like to be padded up. I don't like to feel stuffed up. So I'm not the kind of person who wear heavy, big, lot of clothes. So my main thing in the winter time is that I have like a good warm jacket. I'll just like throw a tights and a sweater on, and then I put a jacket on. That's just me in the winter time. So on this I put a couple of my tights. This is a real good thick one from Fenty. Cold air touch your leg when you're wearing this one from Fenty. I don't know if they have them anymore. This was from like the Fenty X Puma, so I don't know where they have this. This is just an Adidas one. This is one I got on a side, and this would be more like a dress up tights. This wouldn't be an everyday tights. And this is one of those disco pants. If I'm going out, I'll probably wear something like this with a nice dressy top, and then I just throw my coat over it. So my clothes is not necessarily warm, but I have a nice warm coat. In the winter time, jeans can be necessary if you want them to be, and for me I don't necessarily want them to be, because for me jeans is too much. I'd rather something lighter, tights, and then I put my coat on. But just in case I wanted to wear some jeans, I have some jeans here, a gray one, a blue one, a red one, a white one. I'll probably wear this white one before the winter ends. Another blue one. I have this thick nice Fashion Nova pants with a stripe at the side. I don't know if you guys can see it, and buckle down. That it's pretty thick, so that would be a nice pants for winter time. Then I have my leather pants. I have like joggers. I think this one came from Forever 21. It's just a regular red joggers. Then I have the blacks. I have this one from Fashion Nova, I think, with it has the paper bag waist. That'd be nice for winter time. And I have like leather tights. Then I have a leather skirt I could wear to church with like a boot and a stocking. And I have this Adidas leather pants. I've never worn it before, but it would be great for winter time if I find it necessary. Never worn it. I've had it probably close to 2 years. I can see myself wearing it this winter. I have like, these are like sets. It's an Ivy Park and that's Beyonce's brand, and it's just a sweatpants. It's a nice sweatpants, and even though it's a short sleeve shirt, I would wear this. It's kind of like a shirt. It's gonna be as short as this, and the pants I could kind of just pull up towards the shirt, and then I'll just put my coat on, like a nice big fluffy teddy coat or something like that. I never wear this in the summertime because this is too warm. This is real thick and warm, real good material. I do wear short sleeve in the winter time, but like I said, what I would do is just wear it underneath a coat. Then I have this Adidas set, and a lot of people wear these in the summertime. I do too, but this tights is kind of different. It's kind of a winter tights. This is the leg of the tights, and it's a little thicker and it's a little more winterish, so I would wear this with a coat. I would throw a coat over this and just wear it, or I'd probably wear the tights with a long sleeve Adidas jacket. Then I have like my sweaters. Sweaters are very necessary. Like this is a Gap sweater. I don't know if Gap still have this. I've had this for like 3-4 years. It is just a Gap sweater. It would be nice to wear with a jeans, or even a tights or something if you're going somewhere. That would be nice to wear, and then you can just throw your coat over it. Then I have like my blazers, like this blazer like for church. Maybe if I'm going out and I feel sexy and I want to put like a, you know, one of those leotard tights on, I can always throw a blazer over it. Then I have like another red blazer that I could always throw over something to go out or to go to church. Then I kind of just keep my shirts. These are white, these are just cut shirts, and they're thicker cotton shirts, so they can be worn in the winter time, they can be worn in the summertime. And this thin one I probably won't wear, but I probably will. Just throw them on with tights, and again you put your coat on. So this one is from Zara. I've never worn most of them. I've never worn them in the summertime because they're a little thicker, so I think I can wear them in the winter with, you know, anything. Then I have like all my sweaters, and sweaters are necessary. This is what I'll throw on every day. Kind of like this I'll throw on every day with like a sweatpants like I'm wearing now, or a tights or a jeans. Throw my coat on and I'll be gone. So all of these are sweaters. This is kind of like a more dressy one that I'll kind of wear to church. I'll just kind of put it on with something, a pants, and just wear it to church. And these are some Hollister ones that I've had for years. So what I do is just put these on like with tights, like I said, with jeans. This is one of my favorites. I got this like 3 years ago for my birthday, and I love it. It's an Adidas one. I don't ever see Adidas with this anymore. So like this I would like put on with a tights, a jeans, anything, and just go where I'm going. So this is a good one. I love this. I have some Abercrombie and Fitch, and this is an American Eagle one. This is a nice warm one to throw on to go, even like to Walmart or just the store, outside, run an errand, anything. These are nice and very warm. We're still doing sweater. I would wear this with a tights or a sweatpants or something. I'll just throw this on to go to the store, to run an errand, even to like go on a little road trip. If I'm going like to the airport, I'll wear that to the airport. Comfortable pants. For me, winter is all about comfort and warmth, and I don't want to be too hot, but you don't want to be cold. Actually, out here in South Dakota, you don't want to be cold, trust me. I have this one. This one, it has like a cutout in the middle. I think this came from Forever 21. It's a sweater, but I'll probably wear this like this time October, November, but I'll stop wearing this. I'll probably take this off and put it away soon. The next time I wear this, I'll probably take this off and put it away, because in the winter time you don't want to leave your chest out like that. You need scarf and all that. You want to protect your chest area and your neck. So this probably won't be out too long, but I just had it there because I could wear it. And I think I wore this like a week ago or so. A pink suit. And it's I guess it's a sleeping suit, but I wear it to go out. I have the matching pink pants to it, the matching pink sweatpants to it, and I just kind of just have it under there. It's one of those sweatpants with a free foot. I've had this for years. I don't know if they still make this. I'll insert a picture of me wearing this. For years I've had this. So these are things that I would wear and just throw my coat over, and I've worn this a lot of winters. That I have here, it's kind of like a Yeezy sweatsuit, but it's not Kanye brand. I think this is from Forever 21, and it's a short top like this, but it has a hood, and the pants is kind of like, I'll insert a picture with Kim wearing it or so. That's what, you know, Kim and them wear all the time, and it's kind of like a jogger's pants. And yeah, I think this would be really nice to wear. I really can't wait to wear this. I see me like going to the airport in this. I don't know where I'm traveling, but I see me going to the airport. This is just a Puma top. I really like this top. I've had this top since I was in college. I've worn this so many times. This top has gotten so much wash, I promise you, till the zip stripping off. It's just cute. Look how classy it is. The zip is kind of slant that way, and the neck is kind of curl, if that's what you call it, and you can zip it up around your neck up here, and it looks pretty nice. And I usually just wear it with a sweatpants, so I have a sweatpants underneath it. So this is kind of like a suit, but it wasn't a suit together. I just set it out from Puma. Again, these are not new. I'm not showing you guys anything new. These are just my old stuff I brought out from my closet. Again, this is not new, just regular sweatsuit. I'm pretty sure I've worn this before. I'll show you in picture. Another one here, and this one is the Fenty Puma brand, and it does say Fenty in the back, if you can see. Very nice and comfortable and warm. This is so warm, and the fit is so nice and comfortable. You know, you have some sweatpants that you'll wear and or some sweatsuit, and you just want to take it off because it scratches and it's either too tight or too loose or something. Not this. This is just perfect. This is comfortable, very comfortable, and the sweatpants is under there. It's a suit. It said 13 on the foot. I probably have pictures in this too. This is not new, and I don't know if you can even get your hands on these anymore, but I would say if you can't get your hands on these, get them. These are very warm. The coldest winter day, you can go outside with just this and no jacket, and you'll be fine. You'll probably be sweating. This is real nice. SST sweatsuit. It's a pants, and you guys probably seen me wore this. It's a nice winter stuff. From here I have a Reebok one, and for the longest time I had this up for sale and nobody purchased it, so I wore it, and after I wore it I saw Cardi B wearing one, and then now everybody want to buy it and I don't want to sell it anymore. So this is a nice Reebok one. I have this pants from probably from Rihanna's first drop with Puma, and I've been had it and I've never worn it because it's kind of too long for me. I'm short, I'm 5'5", and this have like 2 inches that I'm walking on the floor. I don't know if I can break the waist down and wear it this winter, or I just have to take it and cut it, but I want to wear this. This is nice and really warm. I did a photo shoot in this before. If I can find a picture, I'll insert the picture, but this is really nice. I have like just Adidas sweater, like hoodie sweater. This is your best bet in the winter time out here, like a nice hoodie sweater. This one doesn't have the zip, so the only problem I have with these that don't have the zip is that I have to put them over my head, and I kind of hate things up around my throat like this. Even this is not so bad, but I don't love things up around my throat. But this is nice and very warm, and I just have like tights underneath it, that matches it perfectly. I can wear it with anything. I could wear it with a black tights or anything, but I just kept the tights under it for speed. Then I have this dress. It's a hooded Adidas dress, and down at the bottom here it says Adidas, and it goes around. This if you ever come across this dress, buy this dress. This dress is so nice and freaking warm. I traveled in this probably last year or the year before I went on the plane with it, and I was so freaking comfortable, and I got so many compliments. The only thing was this dress didn't come with a pocket, but I had a dressmaker put a pocket in there for me, and I don't think she did good with the pocket. Look how low she put the pocket. She put the pocket like all the way low, and I'm shorter, so my pocket should have been like up here. But this dress, even without a pocket, this dress is a winner. If you ever see this Adidas hoodie dress, buy it. This is kind of like 2 years old or 3 years old. I've had this for a while. I've had most of my clothes for a while because I just keep my clothes, especially when they're nice and comfortable and warm. This is just kind of utility jumpsuit. If you can see, it's just a utility jumpsuit. This is the jumpsuit that I graduated in last winter, so it's pretty nice. I wouldn't judge in it. I would wear it out, but I kind of just kept it out because since I graduated in it, I haven't worn it. I wanted to jump in here, just kind of show you guys how you can utilize the space if you don't have a lot of space. One of these hangers are a real good investment, and I just put everything away in the closet, all the summer stuffs in the closet. I have some shoes down here that I know I would wear. I took up the one that I know I'm not gonna wear, and I brought out like my Timbs, my Uggs out there in the cold closet. I just brought out kept the shoes that I know would be warm in the winter time. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.